The National Investigation Agency is all set to take over the two civilian killings by terrorists on 5th of October in Kashmir. One, remember, Kashmiri Pandit pharmacist Makhan Lal Bindru, a known and a popular pharmacist in Srinagar, and also a Pani Puri seller from Bihar, Virendra Paswan, who was shot dead on 5th of October in Kashmir by terrorists in the span of 1 hour. Now, the Home Ministry has given its approval for the NI investigation to start. Director General of Jammu and Kashmir Police and NI are already in Srinagar to assess the situation. Army Chief MM Narvane also is on a two-day visit to the valley to review the security status on ground. His visit comes after 9 soldiers were killed in the line of duty during ongoing encounter and terror operations in Rajouri. Home Minister Amit Shah will be visiting the Union Territory this Saturday. He will be holding meetings with Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha and officials of the Central Forces. Now, government sources have already told India Today that recent killings of non-locals, specifically labourers in the Kashmir Valley, are a result, clearly, of utter desperation from the terrorists to prove a point and clearly do not want normalcy to return in the Kashmir Valley. And they are retaliating for now also for the 13 terrorists that have been gunned down by the armed forces.
ये पहला मौका है जिस तरह से विपक्ष पूरी तरह से सिमट और सिकुड़ गया है, उसके अलावा वहाँ कौन है गुपकार गैंग भी सिमट सिकुड़ गया है, उसी तरह से उसकी मानसिकता और उसके दिमाग भी सिमट सिकुड़ गए हैं। राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा के मुद्दे पर, आतंकवाद के मुद्दे पर कभी भी इस तरह की गंदी और घटिया पॉलिटिक्स नहीं की गई है। देश सुरक्षित हाथों में है, किसी को भी भय और भ्रम फैलाने की कोशिश नहीं करनी चाहिए।
So who possibly this time are on the target of terrorists? My colleague Akshita Nandgopal will help you explain why terrorists are targeting Kashmiri locals who are Hindu and Sikh, and also the labourers who are just coming to earn their livelihood.
Let's take you through who's really on the target list in the valley currently. First, you've got Kashmiris who are serving in the police force or who are in the security agency. So these Kashmiris who are part of the Jammu and Kashmir police or who serve with the army or any other security agency are being targeted by terrorists. Non-Kashmiris, non-locals who've moved to Kashmir to earn a livelihood, they're being targeted. As you see, several vendors also being shot dead by terrorists. Poor migrant workers are being singled out by terrorists. There have been incidents of these terrorists barging into their homes and killing them. BJP workers, and this has been going on for the last many months, so BJP workers being shot dead in both Jammu as well as in Kashmir by terrorists. Beyond that, also anyone who's known or seen to have an association with the RSS is on the terror list, are being targeted by these terrorists. And these are the people that agencies believe terrorists are going after currently in the valley.